Damn, that looks so good. Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to another vlog. What we're gonna be doing today, new wheels on the Evo 10. Let's go check out the wheels we have on there. Just realized something funny. We're rocking an STI splitter today, but we're not working on the STI, we're working on the Evo. So the current wheels I have on here are the Rays Grand Lights 57 FXX. That's how they look. They look really good. I love how those wheels look. I've just had them on this car forever now. So those specs are 18 by 10.5 plus 20. Let's go check out the new wheels I have sitting down in the shop. So these here are the wheels we are going to be throwing on the Evo 10 today. Check these beauties out. What those are Work Emotion XD9. Specs are 18 by 10 plus 18. I'm not even gonna lie guys, these wheels are for my Evo 8, but as you guys know, that Evo 8's not even close to needing new wheels right now. It needs a transfer case, it needs a bunch of body work on the car. So what I figured I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna run these wheels on the Evo 10 until I want to throw them on the Evo 8. I'm gonna repowder coat them a different color. I'll probably go live with you guys one day. We're gonna figure out what color we want to do. And then I'm also gonna need a lot smaller tires to fit these on the Evo 8. They're gonna need to be somewhat stretched. The tires on here right now are 275 35s. I'm probably gonna have to go down like a 235 40 or 225 40 or something like that. Like a pretty decent size stretch to get these to fit on that narrow body. But being that the Evo 10 is a way wider car, these meaty tires, the 275s, are gonna fit on there just fine. The only thing I am worried about fitting these on my Evo 10 is, or both these Evos actually, is whether or not they're gonna clear these front Brembo calipers. Those calipers are pretty big. So I'm not sure if these wheels, having the lip that they have and the dish that they have, I'm not sure if they're going to clear the calipers or not. I do have some spacers here. As you can see, there's a pretty big lip on them. I do have spacers here. I have a set of 5mm, 10mm, and 15mm spacers. So either way, we're gonna get them to work today. Let's bring the Evo into the shop, pull those old wheels off, and get these new ones installed. Oh my gosh. I should probably look at my face before I start vlogging next time. I have crap all over my face right now from when I was working on the FRS a bit ago, working on this clutch stuff, and I noticed I have dirt and grease all over my face. My apologies guys. Before we pull the Evo into the shop, I'm gonna pull it down in the grass down here, do a nice little cinematic real quick of the current wheel setup on the car, and then we can get the new wheels on. I'm gonna pull it back out of the shop, provided the new wheels fit, pull it back out of the shop, and then we can kind of compare the Rays Grand Lights versus the Work XD9s. Yeah, I know my car is a bit dirty. I will wash it after I get my new XD9s on. So as you can see, the wheels we currently are running on here look absolutely amazing. Honestly, when I got my Evo, these were my dream wheels, and they still are. I absolutely love these Grand Lights on this particular car. Grand Lights in general, like the 57 Extremes, the 57 FXX, I love both those styles of wheels. I don't know, they're pretty similar, but they're both a little different as well. So let's start with the driver's side of the car. I'm gonna jack it up, pull these wheels off, and then I'm gonna test fit one of the XD9s on the front, make sure it's gonna clear the caliper. If it doesn't, like I said earlier, we have spacers here, so we should be able to make it work. Let's get to it. Oh, what a pain in the ass. Damn. Well guys, I have some bad news. I don't think these wheels are going to work whatsoever on my Evo 10. I'm really hoping they're going to fit the Evo 8 when I go to put them on there. Check this out though, I'll show you why they're not going to work. So I got the wheel, let me go with a flashlight. I got the wheel on the car, that's how it's looking, right? It looks pretty damn good, but it's not on all the way. We still have like 20 millimeters to go, but check that out. The calipers, it's not hitting the spoke, it's hitting up there, so meaning the caliper's essentially too thick, or the barrel of the wheel is too small. So yeah, these wheels are not gonna work whatsoever on this car. So for future reference, boys, XD9s do not fit on an Evo 10. The calipers are plain and simple, they're just too big. I'm really tempted to pull my Evo 8 down here now and see if they're gonna clear. If they don't work on that, then I guess I will have some XT9s for sale. That's how they look though on a 10, like if they would fit. What do you guys think? Do you like them? I don't know, I still feel like this style of wheel looks a lot better on this car. I don't know why. I think those look absolutely amazing on like STIs, and I think it'll look good on the 8 as well. I haven't really seen them on an Evo 8 before, but that's a bummer. I really wanted to run those wheels on my 10 for a while until I put them on the 8. Oh well, nothing I can do about that. Only thing, actually, that's a lie. I could get smaller calipers, but like I'm not gonna do that. That'd just be completely pointless. I'm gonna pull that wheel back off, throw my rays back on, and yeah, I think I'm gonna pull my 8 down into the shop and do a quick little test fit and see if they fit, because if they don't fit, I need to put these for sale and buy a new set for the Evo 8. I don't even know if this car still runs. It's been like a month. I do have good news for this thing though. The good old disgusting Evo 8. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she runs. Alright guys, let's hope and pray that these XT9s fit this car. I would put them on the STI as well, but that car is a 04. So that car is 5 on 100. These wheels and both these Evos are 5 on 114.3. I don't think I have 3 years to start, not even gonna try. Damn. Gonna have to get it started. Tune coming soon. Please, 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 please fit. Here's the moment of truth. You know what? These calipers are definitely smaller. I can just tell. They're way smaller. But like I expected, they hit the spoke. Holy shit, these are gonna look so good. I do have a 5mm spacer. Bam. And will it clear with 5? Yes, it will. Very, very, very closely, but if it clears, it clears. Oh boy, these are so freaking good looking. God damn, dude. Holy shit. Woo! Boys, we are back in action. New wheels for the Evo 8. God damn it, that looks so good. These XT9s, being that they fit, what do you guys think? I need you to go down in the comment section below. Right now they're black. The finish on them is 9.5 out of 10. I could run them how they are. Do you think they would look better black, or so black on black like how it is right now, or white on black? So white, I'll throw a photo on the screen of a black Evo with white XT9s. Let me know in the comment section below. Like I said right when I first got this car, we're doing this together. We're in this build together, so I need you guys to go down in the comment section below right now. Stop what you're doing, let me know. White wheels or black wheels on this car. But they fit hardly. That's a beefy fitment, but I will get them to work 100%. That looks so sick. And I'm hyped that they clear the calipers. Evo 10 calipers must be way bigger. That looks so good. Shall we throw one on the rear as well? I think we should. I'm gonna throw it on the rear, go outside, kind of clean this thing up because it's been sitting for so long. If I just hose it off and give you guys a little sneak peek of what this thing's gonna look like. Let's go take a peek at this thing. She looks so sexy. Yeah, that is a meaty ass fitment though. I could run them how they are with those fat ass tires. Just raise it up, stiffen the shit out of it, but I would rather not destroy fenders. And I think it looks kind of funny with 275 or 285s, whatever they are. But damn, that looks so good. See what I mean when I say XT9s look good on like this style of car? Because this car right here and my STI, the body style is very similar. They're both kind of smaller cars. The Evo 10 is just freaking like a family sedan in a way. I'm playing on that one, guys, but but at the same time I'm not. Here she is though with the new wheels. What do you guys think of the Orc Emotion XD9s on the Evo 8? Fatty fitment. Right when I got this car, I went on my YouTube community page and did a poll whether to get these wheels or the XXR 521s. I know the XXRs are considered ref wheels, but I think they look absolutely amazing. I do like the XD9s better though. I'm very happy I went with this wheel here. It looks so good on this car. I am so freaking pumped I got these. So stoked. Damn, that looks so good. Like I said earlier, go down in the comment section below. Black wheels or white wheels on this Evo. I know I've asked you like 4 times in this video, but I need your guys' opinions, all right? Go down in the comment section below, let me know. Jesus, it looks so fat. It looks so good. This has got me so freaking pumped to get working on this Evo 8 once again. I do have a transfer case for the car now. That was the only thing I was waiting on. I got one when I went to get that. I guess I didn't really go to STI or California to get the STI, but I got the STI in California. On the way back home, I picked up a transfer case for this Evo 8. Non-ACD, it's the one I needed that I couldn't find forever. I finally found one and I got it. So as soon as I get back from Hawaii, I'm leaving. Like, this video is probably going up Monday. I'm literally leaving today. Be back in about a week or a week and a half. Not really sure exactly when. As soon as I get back home though, if the FRS is done and out of the shop, the transfer case is going in this car, and then from there we can get intake, exhaust, get it tuned, get it running good, make it faster, make it run like it should. And then from there, I think after that, I'll probably start with like redoing the wheels, new tires, redoing the brakes, redoing the body. Like, so much exciting freaking stuff to come with this Evo 8. Full interior rebuild as well. But I think for today, that's gonna wrap up the video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't go to comment down below yet, what the hell are you doing watching this video still? Go to comment down below. Let me know what you think of the wheels and what color that they should go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. I will see you in the next video. Tomorrow, actually, it'll be tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is gonna be putting the FRS back together and getting a damn thing out of the shop, as long as that stupid throw-up bearing comes in. See you guys then.